Hey Google, turn off the alarm. Hey Google, good morning.
Hello there. It's 9:15 a.m. Currently in Dhaka it's 19 degrees with fog. Today, it'll be partly cloudy with a forecast high of 27 and a low of 16. Have a nice day.
Hey Google, turn on light.
Sure, turning on the light.
Start partial bleeding.
Hey Alexa, play Mortals. Hey Google, set a reminder for a meeting at 3 p.m.
Got it. Today at 3 p.m.
Hey Google, add tomato in the grocery list.
Sure, I made a list called grocery and added tomato.
Hey Google, turn off master bedroom.
Okay, turning off 7 things.
Hey Google, how's the traffic in Gulshan?
There's heavy traffic in Gulshan.
Hey Google, turn off drawing room.
Okay, turning off 3 switches.
পৌঁছে গিয়েছো? আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আমি এখনই খুলে দিচ্ছি। Hey Google, play Squid Game trailer on B1. Hey Google, pause. Hey Google, play. Hey Google, how many appointments do I have tomorrow?
Tomorrow, at noon, you have client meeting.
Hey Google, turn off MacBook charger.
Sure, turning MacBook charger off.
Hey Google, play some relaxing music on YouTube.
Sure, check out this relaxing music station on YouTube.
Hey Google, stop. Turn off bedroom.
Okay, turning off the bedroom.
Hey Google, good night.
What time should I set the alarm for?
Set the alarm for 10 a.m. tomorrow.
There, your alarm's set for tomorrow at 10 a.m.